Comfort Controls, Heating and Air Conditioning, Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk boiler dealer, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard contractor. What you're looking at today is a Dunkirk PSB-7D 225,000 BTU steam boiler, tearing out an old Burnham 240,000 BTU. Complete pipe job, new Hartford loop on the other side, new water line done in copper with a fast fill. 100% friendly financing. You can find us at localboilerinstallation.com, localfurnaceinstallation.com, also localacinstallation.com. A+ rated with the BBB. Multiple years of complaint-free awards, over 150 installs every year. Chatham Comfort Controls, 773-842-4299, or South Suburbs, 708-674-6313.
Good evening, Mr. Galvin. How are you today?
Good.
Excellent, excellent. Can you tell us, how did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
I found you guys on boilers.com.
Okay, and what work did we do for you today?
You guys installed for us a brand new steam boiler.
Okay, did you find the servicemen to be knowledgeable?
Yes.
Okay, were they neat and clean?
Yes, they knew what they were doing. They did a good job.
Excellent. Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Oh, definitely. Yes, definitely. They did a good job. They know what they're doing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.